Hello, it's Jess here, Sun Valley Trading Co., the Australian distributors of the Cowboy industrial sewing machines and leather machines. Just doing a really quick video today on changing or inserting the needle correctly in these industrial machines. So this example I'm going to show you is on the Cowboy 4500. The same principle applies to, I'd say, nearly every industrial sewing machine. A straight stitch one, anything that's zigzag will be slightly different. Before you go changing needles and playing around with things like that, you just want to make sure you turn it off. Then on the 4500, there is this screw here which locks the needle in position, so you just need to loosen it off a little bit to remove the needle, and then you should be able to just slide the needle out. It might need a bit of twisting. If it's kind of stuck in there, you might need to put some pliers on it and just twist it a little bit to pull it out. You see that it says there GB200. So that this needle is a Grosbecket needle brand, and the size is 200, which is also 25, which is suitable for threads about a metric 10, 277. So if we put our needle back in again, same principle, slide it back in. Now you can see here on the needle, on this side, there is a groove right down the side of the needle, and on, you see this? On this side of the needle, there's like a scarfed out bit there. So the correct way to insert the needle is that this long groove is on the left hand side and the groove facing straight out, which is really important to have the needle in exactly with that groove facing straight out. Even a couple of degrees off can cause you troubles. So that's one thing to look at if you're troubleshooting problems with your stitching, is that the needle is in straight. And this little scarfed out bit, that's where the hook comes past as the needle is down past the bobbin, the shuttle. The hook comes past and it goes in that scarfed out bit and grabs the loop of thread to make your stitch. So the most important part is to have the groove facing out. Push the needle all the way up. You can see in here that the top of the needle is up there. It can be helpful to use pliers to get it straight. If you get it on the flat part that's caused by the groove. And don't forget to tighten it back up again, because you don't want the needle to fall out when you're in the middle of sewing. And then you just put your thread in again, through the eye of the needle from left to right. Thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with us and we'll do our best to help you out. See ya.